It's important we get this one right today, or else it will be less of the whinny and more of the poo. Ah! So welcome back to the Dadskillz car channel. Today we are working on the Honda CRV. I want to prepare it for a summer of trips and travelling around in that car. So to keep the family nice and safe, we are going to change the front brake pads and the rear pads and discs because they're looking a bit pitted. They could do with a change. We'll do a couple of small little jobs at the end as well. But there will be another video coming where we do some oil changes, gearbox oil changes and diff changes and things. So stay tuned for that. But now, on with the car. Ah! So this is the driver's side. They have got life in them, really, to be fair. But the other side, driver's side, is worse. So we'll replace them all at the same time. The disc looks really good on this side, although it does look slightly unequal wear look, but I can live with that for the moment. Right, so two 13mm bolts. And there we go. That is off. Old brake discs, old brake pads. Yeah, there's still a bit of meat left on those, isn't there? But we're doing the whole lot, so off they come. Just put a bit of copper grease on places that slide. And then a little bit where it's going to touch there. Right, very reasonable price, these brake pads. Front and back, they were both something like 28 quid something plus the VAT, which is great. And then discs for the back, which we'll see in a moment, 85 quid for two. I thought that was brilliant. Right. Okay. So I'll try to do this quick because I think I'm in between rain showers. Not very heavy, but just want to make sure I can get all this done. And if you've never done brake pads before, it's quite a nice, easy starter into looking after your own car, really. So we're going to go to the other side, front, and then we won't do the backs just yet. We'll just start the car up after that, put our foot on the brake a good couple of times, because obviously there's a bit of pressure to make up there. We'll go for a little ride and then come to the back. Right, well that's that side done. Ah! Passenger side. And this has worn a lot more than the other side. This is the reason why we're changing them, because I heard a grind the other day on the way back from somewhere. So I thought, right, okay, we've got lots of trips coming up for the summer, family to go and see and all the rest of it, so I'll do these jobs. There we go. You can sit up here somewhere. Out the way, so, oh yeah, oh look at that, just, and this one, how interesting, what could that be a sign of? Uneven wear, but the disc is nice and worn on the back there. Interesting. Right, a bit down in there. A bit up there. You can go there, and then where it touches, a bit there somewhere. And then something like that. So with use of the helpful tool, we wound that back in, put these back on, we'll go for a little ride, and within 45 minutes of getting set up, getting all the kit out. Why's that not going in? We've got the front brake pads almost done. Why are you not going in, your little son? Up you get. There we go. Right, there we go. And the rain has held off, which is excellent. Right, wheel back on. Ah! Right, okay. It's a bit different, this one. So, front wheel's chocked, because I want to take this off and this off. And obviously I need the handbrake off for that. So front wheels are chocked. I've got the trolley jack, and I've got it resting on that axle stand there. So first thing I'm going to do is take this off. Oh, wrong way, Tway. Wrong way. Right. Then I'll take the hanger off, caliper hanger. Then we should be able to take this off. And what I'm expecting in there is a pair of shoes. Yeah. For the parking brake, I think. Maybe. Off you come, me old mate. Right, that's that. You can sit over there, scabby brake jobby. Right, caliper hanger off. Cheapo Hilka impact thingy. There we go, look. Awesome. Just gives you a bit more control than something a bit more mechanical and cordless. Let's try again, shall we? Ah, yes, fantastic. Right. Cool. Right, moment of truth. Is that anywhere near moving? Yes. Go, a few more hits and we're off. And look at that. That's not stopping us at all, is it? Right, so this is just literally handbrake that, and it's got, you know, it's fine all the way around. It doesn't do a lot. These come with a coating on. We'll give it a little clean up to get the coating off, and then they can go on. Nice. And that is there. Beautiful. That's that. Nice. Right. Hanger back on. Right, there we go. We've wound the piston in, so hopefully push those in, slip that on. So again, before we drive off, just stamp on the brake pedal a couple of times. Ah! Brake pads, front done, and pads and discs at the back, both sides done. She's been out and got the kids with them, and as you can see, they've started to silver up already, which is cool. Right, so I've got my helper. Next job is we've got loads of creaks and all sorts of funny noises or irritating noises inside the car. So, my helper, first of all, I know there's one in the seat which we might not be able to fix, but have a bounce on the seat, please. Right, now do it slowly. No, slower than that. Right, I'm going to spray some spray indiscriminately around there and see what happens. Right, as you can see, I've sprayed a load of spray on. There's a spring up here. There's a spring over here. I think we've got it. Right, bounce up and down on it. Yeah, it's nice. Right, we'll wipe the excess off and then we'll move on to... So we've done the accelerator. There's no real squeak from that. Do the brake again. Nothing from that one either. Do the clutch. Oh, jeez. Do it again. Yeah, okay, fair enough. That will get a spray. Okay, so more silicone spray later. Right, do the clutch nice and slow. Oh, for God's sake. Where's that? Just keep pumping it. Do that again. Keep going. Where is that coming from? We've tried our best. It's still not perfect. If you do it slowly... Oh, there we go. It's better. But I've got... Oh, that's perfect. Where the hell's it coming from? Do it fast. Yeah. So under normal working conditions, I think it's going to be okay. And we've sprayed a load of silicone spray on it, so... Right, okay, that'll do. So at this point, I'm just going to check the tyre pressures. Just make sure that the washer bottle is topped up. And that'll do for the time being. Very windy, so it went everywhere. Amazing. So, some good maintenance done on the Honda today. Join me again in a part 2, if you like, where we get this car ready for the summer, where we're going to change a few oils, gearbox oils and diff oils, which I've never done before. And I don't think anyone's ever done it on this car before. So, that's coming up. But until then, I will see you soon. Goodbye.